Well, hello and welcome back to another episode of Tractors and Such. So today, knowing me, I'm at another tractor show. This one is here at Shopville Community Park here in Somerset, Kentucky. It's a pretty nice show. Me and Paul are hosting this one, and I've got some tractors displayed here. We're getting ready to do the opening ceremony. Out there. I really appreciate I really appreciate everybody coming out and bringing the tractor and the lawnmower. And we got Glenn Whitus over there making cornmeal. We got guys blowing up balloons up there. So really walk around, see what you can do, and put this on your calendar. We'll be back here next year. What is today? 2nd of May, but what's the day? Today is Derby Day.
Let's go on TV next week.
I don't know. It depends on how fast I get the videos converted and edited. $99.
Huh?
$99.
I've got one that's a 2000 I should have brought in. They told me to bring that Cub original. That's the only reason I brought it.
Yes, everybody. All right. All right. Get ready. This is a slow race. Garden tractor. Slow. The slowest tractor wins. Set. Go.
One more.
1725.
Whoa. Oh.
Went out of line. Disqualified. Sorry. Get ready, set, go.
Oh, he's done all right.
Oh.
Right in there, get to make it.
Oh. That went wrong ways.
He's just gonna push it back. He got a time, he said it. There she comes, there gas. Hard to get good gas. Oh, Jimmy. Oop, oop, see the barrel quit turning. Woo! Oh!
That's hilarious. That's what takes to win that trophy.
Get ready, set, go.
Oh, I'll call him. Oh.
Stop. Get ready, set, go.
I told her, I said, I'm going to tell her, but I got you to her.
Come on, come on. Stop. Get ready, set, go.
Watch it, the thing might come up this way. That's hard to get off.
Oh, yeah.
I can't get on. My legs don't bend the right way.
I know what to do. I'm getting ready to leave. I'll go get
Well, we had a good show at the tractor show. We had a pretty good turnout. We're going to do this every year on the first Saturday of May. Thank you all for watching this video of tractors and such. Now we're going to go with Paul with the devotion.
Today's devotion is Genesis chapter 26, beginning at verse 15. The Word of God says, "For all the wells which the father's servants had digged in the days of Abraham his father, and the Philistines had stopped them, and filled them with earth. And Abimelech said unto Isaac, Go from us, for thou art much mightier than we. And Isaac departed thence, and pitched his tent in the valley of Gemar, and dwelt there. And Isaac digged again the wells of water, which they had digged in the days of Abraham his father, for the Philistines had stopped them after the death of Abraham. And he called their names after the names which his father had called them. And Isaac's servants digged in the valley, and found there a well of springs and waters. And the herdsmen of Gerar did strive with Isaac's herdsmen, saying, The water is ours. And he called the name of the well Esek, because they strove with him. And they digged another well, and strove for that also, and he called the name of it Sisah. And he removed from thence, and digged another well, for that they strove not, and they called the name of it Rehoboth. And he said, For now the Lord hath made room for us, and we shall be fruitful in the land. And he went up from hence to Beersheba, and the Lord appeared unto him the same night, and said, I am God of Abraham thy father. Fear not, for I am with thee, and will bless thee, and multiply thy seed for thy servant Abraham's sake. And he built an altar there, and called upon the name of the Lord, and pitched his tent there, and there Isaac's servants digged a well." Thank you for watching Cade's video today. See you on the next post.